Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, if you've seen my Instagram account, I'll be doing my anti-valentines look using JCat products. To start off, we will be using a mattifying primer to prolong my base. Next is one of my favorite products, which is the JCat Cushion Compact. It may appear dark when you check the product, but it is my exact shade. What I like about this product is that it delivers a medium to full coverage, hydration, and sun protection. Next is JCat's banana powder. I didn't do any baking today. I just brushed off the product all over my face. Next is eyebrows. I actually mixed the two shades to come up with my same shade of my hair. Next is contour. So I use the JCat's Intense Mineral Powder for this. To remove the harsh lines, I'll be using the leftover powder from my powder brush. For my eyeliner, I use a skinny long eye pencil in the shade brown. Then I smudge it. Sorry guys, I was excited to use the highlighter, so instead of using the blush, I started off with the highlighter. Next is blush. Next is eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Hollywood palette. I'm almost done, so I just need to curl my lashes and then put mascara. And lastly, put some lipstick. Using the same shade of lipstick, I'll just draw 3 hearts on my left side of my cheek. And I'm done. And I'm done. So hoping that I'll be able to upload this in time for Valentine's, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to upload this late. I am still hoping that you'll be able to enjoy this video, and please don't forget to check out the products in the description box below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. See you in my next video. Bye.